Hello viewers, I am Gautam Raj. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am gonna teach you how to do strobe effect, something like this. Yes guys, this is crazy epic. So watch this video until the end and let's play the intro and let's go. So guys, the first thing you need to do is take any sound effect like something like this. Just import it to a timeline, and now you need to take any black video. For example, you need to go to new item, black video, and click on OK. Just take this black video and paste on the video 2, and now you can take any raw footage. For example, I take this one and I just one second guys, I just video and just paste it something like this. So guys, now we have the black video, the raw footage, and the strobe audio or the sound effect. You can take any sound effect. So now the thing you need to do is very simple. Just a little bit scale it up. The video should be not very small, fingy kind of thing. Yeah, here you can see, you can just scale it up a little bit. Wait guys, 1 minute. Yeah, now when you just play it, 1 second guys, when you just play, you can see that we need where the beat comes. For example, the beat comes on here. So guys, now just make cuts on the black video. So just take the razor tool. Now just the thing you need to do is cut each frame. Like you take this, you got 2 frames, next 2 frames, next 2 frames, next 2 frames.
A few moments later.
This you need to do till the audio beat stops. For example, I just did till here and then the wind sound comes. So when you just play, it has been cut. Now the main thing is guys, you need to just alternatively you need to just cut it. Like for example, we have this both these 3 frames, the middle frame should be cut. Yeah, like this you need to just cut the middle frames till the end. Now you can see I'm just doing.
A few moments later.
So guys, now I have did the effect. Now we can just see that it just blinks and blinks, and it makes a cool effect, like it just like a strobe effect. So we have finished the strobe effect, and little bit we can just do touch up in this strobe effect. For example, the video is playing from the starting, right, from here. So from here the thing we can do is using the toggle animation key. Now you can just do one thing like 103, 116. You can just increase the frames and just toggle the animation key of position also, and little bit you can just do left or right, and it just makes a cool effect that your video is making an effect, something like this. So from the starting it should be something like this. So guys, I hope this video you liked, and don't forget to like it, share, and at the last don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Stay tuned. Until then, wait for the next video. Bye bye friends.